Hey guys, it's Nat, and in this video I am going to be doing, I tried doing a blanks tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be trying one of the Sorry Girls tutorial. They're a DIY channel if you don't know who they are, and they did a tutorial a couple years ago on how to make bohemian Moroccan lanterns, like a little design on a jar, and I thought it was really cute, so I thought it'd be perfect for this video to try out. And as you can see, I have the video up right here, if you can see that. So, as you might have seen already from previous videos, we already have a jar that has been colored, as they have in the video there. They show how to color it using like a glue food coloring mixture. We already did that a while ago by ourselves, so we already have that done. So I'm just going to be following their little tutorial on how to make the little design at the top and bottom of the jar using glittery puffy paint. So we'll see how this turns out. So let's see what they tell us to do here.
Once it's cooled, we're going to paint on our design. We did a rough sketch of our pattern onto a piece of paper. We did this by combining a couple of inspo pics from the internet. You can just search Moroccan lantern. The paint we're using is this 3D opaque glass enamel paint in gold that we got from Michaels. We started with a ring of polka dots and then followed by some loops. We also marked out on our sketch where we wanted our rhinestones to go, so make sure that you leave some gaps in your paint for these later.
Okay, so we're not going to be doing the rhinestone thing, and I'm going to try as best as I can to do the kind of same design as they're doing. So let's see how this turns out. So, just going to start at the top here like they did, in kind of the groove of the jar. And our puffy paint's a little weird, because it's mostly, once it dries, it kind of flattens, so I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. I'm not even sure if you can see those little dots there, but... Okay, I think that's good. I kind of went a little up there. It's not perfectly symmetrical, but now they did loops, so let's see. Oh, that's bad. Okay. Okay, that's okay. They did these little circles inside, or semicircles. So I guess I'll just fill that in there. Try and flatten it out as much as possible, so it's not all lumpy. Wind. Okay, so we got that, and then they did dots around, or underneath these little loops here, so we'll do that. These are dripping, so that's happening. I put too much puffy paint. I'm pretty sure we're running out here. Okay, so
these later.
Let's see what they're doing now.
Smaller dots followed by some more U shapes. Next we did some loopy frills, yes, I know, a real technical term, followed by some sideways braces. We filled those in with 3 little lines followed by...
Okay, slow down. Okay, now we gotta do more loops. So let's do more loops. Hopefully this puppy paint lasts here. This is dripping down a bit. Okay, so we did that. I have to fix these ones that are dripping down. So now she did like little loopy loops, like she called them. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that because at the moment I'm really laying this down. So I gotta be really thin with this. Oh, it's okay. A little wobbly, but we could do that. Okay, yeah, that's a little wonky, but I'm pretty sure I stuck my hand in some of it. Oh, that's okay. And she did these little flower petal kind of things, so they're basically loops with a drop in them. Oh, I did too much there. Yeah, this is really wonky. And then they did these little lines in the center here. But that's really bad. Okay. So, let's see what else they did here.
You guessed it, more polka dots. To finish it off, we added some little vertical lines. To paint the base, we did a similar design. You kind of get the idea by now. We attached little teal rhinestones and very...
Okay, so we just have to do these little drops at the bottom of this here. Little lines. Okay. So they did the bottom. They kind of just let's see. I should hold this from the inside maybe so I don't touch any of it. If I just do this, I don't want to get it on the table either. Okay, so I did that. Guess I'm not going to be able to put this down. Let's see. They just did the little swirls like they did before, so the little dots around. Okay, and then they did, I'm just going to do little lines here to finish it off, because I don't want to do any more loops. Okay, so that's how it looks so far. I'm just going to hold it from the bottom like this. Okay, I don't want to take my hand out. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I'm just going to hold it like this. So I don't want to put it on the table. I got some at the bottom. But yeah, that's how it looks now. So we're gonna let this dry and see how it turns out. Again, our puffy paint's way more. It's different from the ones that the Sorry Girls use because this one's more glue and less glitter. So we'll see if it's still puffy once it dries. But I'll show you what it looks like. Hey guys, so it's been a few hours since I put the paint on here, and as you can see, it's dry and it's pretty golden. It's more opaque than I thought it would, but that might have just been because I put a lot. And if you watch the tutorial, you'll see that they put some gold wire around the top of the jar, so you can hang it as like a little lantern. But we're just going to be using it as a plain jar, and we don't have gold wire, so I just put a little twine around it to make it look a little more rustic and stuff. I think it turned out pretty good. At times I put a little too much paint, and it kind of gooped up, as you can see here. But that was just my error. It had nothing to do with the tutorial, so I definitely recommend the tutorial. I'll put it in the description box down below. But other than that, I think this was a success. What do you guys think? Tell us in the comments down below. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye!